Welcome back, viewers. We really appreciate you being here. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that little bell so you don't miss anything exciting. In this video, we'll see how quickly we can change the alternator on a Toyota Camry. This happens to be a 97 model. How long does it take to change an alternator? In my earlier video, you saw me do this with one hand and no air tools, just hand tools. This time, we're going to do it with air tools and both hands. We have an 8mm socket, a 10mm wrench, a 12mm swivel, and a 14mm swivel with a short extension, and an air gun. Here are the tools I mentioned. Ready? Begin. That's the charge cable I'm taking loose. Next, I'm taking the bracket loose that holds the wiring harness. Wrap it up good so it doesn't short out against anything. You should just go ahead and take the battery cable loose. Oh, almost forgot something. Do something about that belt so don't drop the belt. This is a 12mm swivel socket. Really? There we go. I was trying not to drop the bolt down in there. I'm lucky my swivel socket didn't fall behind the engine, and that's a 14mm. Of course, it wanted to be stuck in there. Sure, you always start these bolts by hand before hitting them with an air gun. And I didn't tighten that all the way down on purpose because we need to be able to adjust the belt tension. Start this by hand as well. There's a belt on there. Tools back on the cart. Doesn't take any longer to put tools back on the cart than it does to just lay them somewhere. Notice even on the old car I have a fender cover to protect the paint, and look at that air hose drag right across that. That would have been the paint. Twist the belt and hold it. Tighten it up. You can tell how much tension you've got. Tighten on that. 12. Final tightening on the 14. This is the fulcrum bolt. Don't lose your socket. They're about $47 a piece. Sockets are. And put your tools away. Now, these little suckers. Nut off. Right here, messing with that charge cable without the battery disconnected like I am, you could get shocked. Or you can touch that wrench to something while messing with it and it get hot instantly and burn you. If you have a small 1/4-inch air ratchet, you can save a little time by using it on this nut. You still run the risk of slinging it down into the engine bay. Done. What's our time? Were y'all timing that? Start up. $14.59. That's more like it. $158. It was only 12.5 with the other alternator. Alternator is good. $14.43 at the battery. Welcome to saneauto. We're so glad you're here. We don't just do repairs and tool reviews.
Bienvenida a saneauto. Nosotros no solamente hacemos reparaciones de autos.
We also film hot rods and mod rods, project cars, classic cars, antiques.
Nosotros también filmea autos antiguos, mod rods, hot rods, cualquiera.
We also like to take you with us to the car shows and the cruise-ins, so make sure you subscribe and hit that little bell so you don't miss anything.
Me gustaría llevarte con nosotros a los cruisings y car shows. Entonces, empuja ese botón y toca de campaña para que no pierda nada.
Thank you for watching our videos. Many of the events, shows, and people that we feature support much needed charities.
Bastante de eventos que nosotros filmea soporta caridad.
Please take a child or a friend to one of these events and make sure that they're aware of all the good works that the great people of the car community do.
Por favor, lleva un niño o un amigo a los eventos para que sepa de buenos trabajos que hacen los coordinadores de eventos. Muchas gracias. Hasta luego.